10 amazing tips for growing delicious and healthy zucchini in pots. Growing zucchini in pots is a fantastic option for gardeners with limited space. Zucchini plants are prolific and easy to grow, making them ideal for container gardening. With the right techniques, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious and healthy zucchini. Here are 10 amazing tips to help you get started. 1. Choose the right pot. Selecting the correct pot is crucial for growing healthy zucchini. Opt for a large container that is at least 16 inches deep and wide. Zucchini plants have extensive root systems, and a larger pot allows for proper growth and better nutrient absorption. Make sure the container has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. 2. Pick a compact variety. When growing zucchini in pots, it's best to choose compact or bush varieties. Varieties like Bush Baby, Patio Star, or Raven are well suited for container gardening, as they don't spread as much as traditional vining types, making them easier to manage in smaller spaces. 3. Use quality potting mix. For optimal growth, use a high-quality potting mix instead of garden soil. A good mix should be lightweight, well-draining, and rich in nutrients. You can create your own mix by combining compost, peat moss, and perlite, or purchase a ready-made blend designed for vegetables. 4. Provide ample sunlight. Zucchini plants require at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily to thrive. Place your container in a sunny spot, such as a balcony, patio, or terrace. If you don't have enough natural light, consider using grow lights to supplement and ensure healthy growth. 5. Water consistently. Consistent watering is essential for growing zucchini in pots. Keep the soil evenly moist, but not soggy. Zucchini plants are sensitive to drought and overwatering, so aim for a balance. Water the plants deeply, ensuring that the moisture reaches the roots, and check the soil regularly to avoid letting it dry out completely. Tip: water your zucchini in the morning to reduce the risk of fungal diseases and allow excess moisture to evaporate during the day. 6. Fertilize regularly. Zucchini plants are heavy feeders and need regular fertilization to produce healthy fruit. Start by adding a balanced fertilizer when planting, and then continue feeding every 2 to 4 weeks throughout the growing season. You can use an organic vegetable fertilizer or make your own compost tea to provide essential nutrients. 7. Support the plant. While bush varieties are more compact, they can still benefit from some support as they grow. Use stakes or tomato cages to help keep the plant upright, especially when it starts bearing fruit. Supporting the plant prevents it from toppling over and allows for better air circulation, reducing the risk of disease. 8. Pollination assistance. In containers, zucchini plants may not always have access to natural pollinators like bees. To ensure a good harvest, you can hand-pollinate the flowers. Use a small paintbrush or cotton swab to transfer pollen from the male flowers with a long stem to the female flowers with a small zucchini at the base. 9. Prune regularly. Zucchini plants can become bushy, which can hinder airflow and promote diseases. Prune away any yellowing or damaged leaves and trim back excess foliage to encourage better light penetration and air circulation. Pruning also helps the plant focus its energy on producing fruit. 10. Harvest frequently. Zucchini grows quickly, and harvesting regularly encourages continuous production. Pick zucchini, and they are 6 to 8 inches long for the best flavor and texture. Smaller zucchinis are tender and delicious, while overripe ones can become tough and seedy. Frequent harvesting also prevents the plant from becoming overwhelmed with large fruit, which can slow down production. Final thoughts: growing zucchini in pots is a rewarding way to enjoy fresh, homegrown vegetables without needing a traditional garden. By following these 10 amazing tips, you can successfully grow healthy and delicious zucchini in containers. With the right care and attention, your potted zucchini plants will produce a bountiful harvest that you can enjoy all season long.